Now that you understand the hidden dangers most homes miss from the last lecture, the question becomes, what can you do about them? Not all smart home devices are useful. Some are just for show. But the ones we will cover today have one thing in common. They're built to prevent damage, injury, or loss, not just make life easier. In this lecture, we're focusing on the gear that protects. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to identify the top smart devices that actively reduce safety risks in real homes. Match each device to the type of threat it helps prevent. Choose the right tools based on your space, habits, and budget. Smart safety devices that make a difference. Let's walk through what each one does and how to use it realistically. Door and window sensors. These magnet-based sensors track when doors or windows are opened. They are used for getting notified if a door is left open past bedtime, tracking when kids open exit points, triggering lights or alarms if opened unexpectedly. Doors and window sensors are best for entryways, basement windows, garages, or when traveling. Smart smoke and CO alarms. These alert you through an app, not just a sound, when smoke or gas is detected. They are used for getting alerts even if you're not home, notifying family members or neighbors in real time, auto-calling emergency contacts in some setups. These are best for kitchens, bedrooms, and anywhere you have fuel-burning appliances. Leak and water sensors. Placed under appliances or near plumbing, they detect even a few drops of water. You can use it for early warnings before floods or mold, preventing thousands in repair bills. Pairing with smart shut-off valves to stop water automatically. These are best for under sinks, behind washing machines, near water heaters or basements. Doorbell cameras and outdoor motion cams. Let you see, hear, and speak to visitors or detect movement when you're not home. These are used for catching package theft attempts, monitoring your property remotely, recording activity if someone enters your yard or porch. These are best for front doors, driveways, and rental units. Indoor cameras and motion sensors. These monitor movement indoors and can notify you or trigger lights. You can use these for checking on kids, pets, or elderly relatives, activating lights in walkways at night, securing areas like garages or tool rooms. These are best for hallways, entry zones, staircases, or private areas. Smart plugs and appliance timers. These let you shut off appliances remotely or set automatic shut-off times. Use these for turning off space heaters, toasters, or irons if you forget. Reducing fire risks. Creating nighttime routines. Example, powering off all kitchen plugs by 10 p.m. These are best for kitchens, bedrooms, garages, or anywhere you tend to forget switches. Smart thermostats with temperature alerts. These don't just manage energy, they keep your space within a safe range. Use these for avoiding frozen pipes, protecting pets or electronics from overheating, monitoring indoor temperature changes during vacations or power outages. These are best for main rooms, vacation homes, or homes in extreme climates. Build your own smart safety kit. If you're just starting, here's a tiered approach. Must have. Priority 1. 1 smart smoke co alarm, 2 door window sensors, 1 water leak detector. Nice to have. Priority 2. 1 smart plug, 1 motion sensor for hallway lighting, 1 video doorbell or outdoor cam. Advanced layer. Priority 3. Smart thermostat, smart shut-off valves, indoor cams for monitoring kids or elders. Start small, grow smart. You don't need dozens of devices to stay safe. You need the right ones, placed in smart locations, with alerts that work for you.